Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our peel and stick convex mirror add-ons for the Canon Spyder F3T and F3 Limited. Once again, we partnered up with our friends over at Trick LED to bring you this, a peel and stick convex mirror add-on designed to fit directly over your factory mirrors, drastically increasing your visibility by up to 30% in comparison to stock. These convex mirror add-ons will allow you to better see what's behind and beside you, increasing safety for both you and your passenger. You'll be absolutely amazed at how much more you can see with these mirrors installed.
That's amazing.
Installation is quick and easy, so simply clean your OE mirror with the provided alcohol pads. Once dry, peel the adhesive backing off the new convex mirror. Line it up over your factory mirror, and then press down firmly to adhere it in place. Once installed, you'll notice that the new convex mirrors feature a nicely finished black plastic edge, giving you that OE style look. So if you want to go from this to this, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a set for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.